Merge sort is a highly efficient divide and conquer sorting algorithm that works in the following steps. Divide. First splits the array into two equal halves recursively until we have individual elements. Conquer. Compares and merges these smaller arrays back together in sorted order. Combine. Repeatedly merges the sorted subarrays to create larger sorted arrays until we have one final sorted array. Merge sort is known for its stability and guaranteed O of n log n time complexity, making it more efficient than bubble sort for large datasets. Dividing the array into two equal halves from index 0 to 7. Dividing the array into two equal halves from index 0 to 3. Dividing the array into two equal halves from index 0 to 1. Comparing 56 from position 1 and 57 from position 2, moving 56 to position 1, moving 57 to position 2. Dividing the array into two equal halves from index 2 to 3. Comparing 40 from position 3 and 44 from position 4, moving 40 to position 3, moving 44 to position 4. Comparing 56 from position 1 and 40 from position 3, moving 40 to position 1. Comparing 56 from position 1 and 44 from position 4, moving 44 to position 2, moving 56 to position 3. Moving 57 to position 4. Dividing the array into two equal halves from index 4 to 7. Dividing the array into two equal halves from index 4 to 5. Comparing 15 from position 5 and 51 from position 6, moving 15 to position 5, moving 51 to position 6. Dividing the array into two equal halves from index 6 to 7. Comparing 37 from position 7 and 16 from position 8, moving 16 to position 7, moving 37 to position 8. Comparing 15 from position 5 and 16 from position 7, moving 15 to position 5. Comparing 51 from position 6 and 16 from position 7, moving 16 to position 6. Comparing 51 from position 6 and 37 from position 8, moving 37 to position 7, moving 51 to position 8. Comparing 40 from position 1 and 15 from position 5, moving 15 to position 1. Comparing 40 from position 1 and 16 from position 6, moving 16 to position 2. Comparing 40 from position 1 and 37 from position 7, moving 37 to position 3. Comparing 40 from position 1 and 51 from position 8, moving 40 to position 4. Comparing 44 from position 2 and 51 from position 8, moving 44 to position 5. Comparing 56 from position 3 and 51 from position 8, moving 51 to position 6, moving 56 to position 7. Moving 57 to position 8. Array is now sorted. Merged sort has a time complexity of O of n log n in all cases. The space complexity is O of n because it requires additional memory space proportional to the size of the input array.